Dr. Hazuria from Kerala. Actually, after my MD, I did from JIPMA. After my MD, I wanted to join lab. In JIPMA, whatever lab we were exposed to was go and hold the camera. Or अरे क्या करती हो कहाँ हो the instrument only we cannot show, and that particular consultant used to lock the instrument and go home. So one day, one medicine postgraduate had an ectopic pregnancy. She was doing medicine MD. She had an ectopic. This was out of station. So she underwent a laparotomy because the instrument was not accessible. It is not just the knowledge, the hardware, software, nothing was accessible to other consultants. From there I got down and went to a very premier institute in Kerala. I worked there for 3 years. IVF, lab, everything. It is 100% gynec hospital. Everything done in US is done there. I had my daughter from there. So maybe I had little backup in my attacking skills also. But I'm telling you, nobody taught me anything. It was all mechanical learning. You just snapshot interpretation, some snaps I had. Then I joined this particular hospital, which is a very corporate, very disciplined structure. I joined there after 4.5 years of my MD. They said, you're a registrar. You can't have OP, you can't have IP. How long? Then 6 more months. 5 years, you will become a consultant, junior consultant, then you can have your OP IP. So 6 months I sat in the labor room, wrote everybody's case sheet, printed everything. Before my saturation, I could get OP IP. No one was doing lab there. So my HOD said, I will cover you for anything except laparoscopy. So again, setback, no lab. Then after some time, they took a visiting lady from outside. She was doing lab. So we all went and asked her, can we assist you? Can we come and see? She said, no. Then she told the sisters, don't record my files. They will see and learn. Don't record it. That ends. That was the positive thing I had. I started doing with gastrosurgeons' help. They helped me day in and day out. They said, don't need bill also, don't need assistant. Your patient, you do, we will help. Okay, then it continued till LAVH. Then stuck. All suturing I do from LH in your classification. Up to uterine with LigaSure I managed very beautifully. I would have done some 7 or 8 LAVH drillings stuck with suturing. Then I had this research. My son finished his 10th, he was going to 11th hostel. This year, next year 12th, all that entrance will come. What to do? My husband told, you struggled enough, had 2 kids, you can talk anywhere in the world, US, UK, anywhere. Then started my homework. I asked many people, did a lot of search. Somebody said France, somebody said Germany. And there was one surgeon's wife who was doing DNB. He told me, your problem is suturing and knotting? Go to WH. And today, I'm very proud to say that I'm going back with a lot of sutures, lot of knots. Maybe someday, Hazuria's knots, I will do. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Avan, sir. All the colleagues and all the technicians. One thing about these technicians, you know, they will look at the screen. Madam, aisa nahi, yahan kijo. That long limb and the short limb, they can look at the screen from any angle and tell. No, you're pulling the wrong one. The other one, kijo. Yes, that can come only with training from a master. Thank you so much.